Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give my full review of the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus after using it a 1 month. Is it still worth it? Let's find out. Starting with the design, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus feels premium in the hand with its glass front and back with aluminum frame. As for design, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus comes with a huge big camera setup in the back. And the smartphone also offered IP68 and IP69K water and dust resistant. So overall the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus design and build quality is top notch on the budget. Now let's talk about the display. The phone comes with a 6.67-inch AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate has been amazing. It's smooth, vibrant and sharp to use both day tasks and gaming. And the smartphone resolution is 1220 into 2712 pixel with 446 ppi density. Even outdoor, the brightness hold up well because the smartphone comes with a 3000 nits of peak brightness. So you can use outdoor the smartphone easily. As for security, the smartphone comes with the in-display fingerprint scanner and face unlock. Both one is very fast and secure. As for performance, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 processor with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB storage for the base variant. As for performance, Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 is a very good processor, and as you can see that all the app opening and closing is very fast, and at the same time you also use lot of apps at the background. As for OS, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus running HyperOS based on Android 14 and Redmi offer 3 major OS updates. So overall the smartphone performance and software optimization is great. I don't face any major problem and bugs. Now let's talk about my gaming experience. PUBG Mobile you can play ultra frame rate and ultra graphics, and you also play smooth and extreme. And Call of Duty Mobile you can play max graphics and max frame rate. By the way, I am already making this smartphone dedicated gaming review Call of Duty Mobile and PUBG Mobile. Video link also available in the video description and the I button. Check it out. So what about my gaming experience? Yeah, my gaming experience is very good. I don't face any major problem to play any types of game. So if you are a gamer and looking for a gaming phone, so Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is the best choice for you. Now into the camera. The smartphone comes with a triple camera setup in the back, 50 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 2.5x optical zoom, and the front is come with a 20 megapixel selfie camera. The smartphone main camera you can record highest 4K 30fps video, and this is a 4K 30fps video record, and as you can see that the video quality is average quality. Let's now talk about the picture quality. Daylight you can take a pretty much good photo with a lot of details. All the image color correction, dynamic range and sharpness is pretty good. And I am already making this smartphone dedicated camera review. You can find all the details here. Video link also available in the video description and the I button. Check it out. One of the good thing is the smartphone comes with a huge 6200 mAh battery with 90 watt fast charger. So you can get easily more than 1.5 day battery backup. So if you are a heavy user, this smartphone help you keep your phone in a long time. So the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is still worth it after a month, absolutely. For the price point, you are getting premium design, powerful processor and a solid camera with an excellent display. That's it for my 1 month review on the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below your thought. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech content as always. Thanks for watching and I'll be catch you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.